What's up, you guys? My name is Tamaya. If you guys did not know, I started a few months ago this series called Fitness Diaries. This is episode 2. This vlog is about us doing better on our fitness journey, because maybe the things that do or do not work for me would help you guys out too. And that is the goal, because I feel like everybody is probably at a place where they don't know where to start, or they don't know what to do to continue or see more progress. So I feel like videos like this can help give people ideas to kind of get the results that they want. With that being said, in today's video, as you read and title down below, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fitness diaries. So basically with this, I just plan to kind of record the things that I'm doing to figure out what's working, what's not working, you know, what things I can change, things I should keep. I've been on my fitness journey for about 2 years now. About a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, I don't know. That's when I kind of started actually being more disciplined, more consistent with the things that I do in order to lose the weight. So I was 244 at the start of everything. I went to college. Girl, I was stressed out, eating all I could eat, gained behind a lot of weight. And now I am like, on a good day, 184, 185, 186. You know, I'm in the 180s. How about that? I have come a long way, but I feel like lately I kind of been off the rails a little bit. Like, you know, I've always ate the good stuff, aka the bad stuff, in moderation, but I feel like lately I've been eating too much of it, and I kind of been feeling it. It's kind of been showing. Haven't been seeing like much progress. Not to say that I'm not happy with like the body that I have now, because I definitely am, but I feel like I kind of want to be a little bit more toned, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, like, you can go to the gym all you want to get toned, but of course eating plays a big role. And like, my problem isn't necessarily eating throughout the day, because I normally try to keep myself busy with doing other things. My problem is when I go to bed, or when it's time to go to bed, I snack, and that's like one of my old habits that I actually got rid of, but for some reason it's like back on board, and I have no idea when it started, how it started, and why. So I think with that, I'm just going to stop buying a bunch of snacks. Like, I usually have snacks to keep options, and that's what I've been doing, but I now, like, when I go to bed, I'm just thinking, oh, I got this in the kitchen, let me go get that, and I'll be eating it. And and I just feel like, y'all get the gist. I be snacking at night, and I don't need to be snacking at night. So, because I just adds more calories on top of what I done ate and what I accomplished during the day. Do good all day, and then nighttime comes, boom, all that went down the drain. And it's not to say that the snacks be unhealthy snacks. It's like more on the cleaner side when it comes to snacks. I try to find snacks that have clean ingredients, you know, stuff like that. But anyways, we are at the gym. But before I go in, baby, I need to go with my pre-workout, y'all. I use the pre-workout 1UP Nutrition, and I love them. The one that has caffeine in it, also the stem-free one too. They work magic. They give me a whole bunch of energy. My mood is like more brightened. Like, if I'm feeling like bro, I don't want to go. Like, by the time this hits my system, I'm more energetic, more smiling, more, you know, uppity. But anyways, 1UP Nutrition has great products on their website. They have a whole variety of things to choose from to help meet your fitness goals. So I highly recommend you trying this brand out. Their clear protein juices, can get it every single time. This is my favorite flavor right here, the sour cherry. If you don't like sour stuff, then I do highly recommend the lemon Italian ice or the strawberry flavor. Both of those are great. Also, the sour watermelon is fantastic as well. I will link the website down below. You can also use my code TamayaFit for 20% off your orders. Save some money and support your girl. But I'm about to go into this gym because I've been out here long enough. I feel like I've been out here for about an hour now, but I haven't. It's been probably like 15 minutes, who knows. I gotta get this workout done so I can get some stuff done today. Alright, so today was core and cardio. So I did record myself doing some of my core exercises. Just to name a few, I did some weighted sit-ups. I did whatever these is called. I also did some toe touches, but alternated on each side instead of doing both legs and arms at the same time. I also did some planks where I just grabbed a weighted object and placed it from one side of me to the next side of me. I also did some in and outs and some standing marches. After that, I did do some jump roping, but I didn't record that for today's video. So like I said, just got some chicken thighs I baked in the oven, some rice and some green beans. I also got some bell peppers and onions in there too I mixed up. It's because I don't know, bell peppers and onions just make everything taste so much better, y'all. Can't. This is the best baked chicken I made in a minute, because I be rushing lately. Cheers. So my husband brought a Ninja Creamy for me last Christmas, well, this previous Christmas, and I mean, I used it when I first got it a lot, but I have not used it, I don't think, all summer, y'all. I haven't used my Ninja Creamy all summer, so I'm about to use it right now. I really need to like go into like my cabinets and stuff and like organize things, but that's for another day. But anyways, these are the little containers for the Ninja Creamies. I think I'm gonna make a birthday cake ice cream, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the base. And I don't know if I said this already, but excuse the dishes, I'm washing them. Okay, so at Aldi's, right, they have this milk that is like the dupe to Fairlife, and it's much cheaper. I think it's like 3 something, which is Fairlife is like $5 and something cents maybe. I don't know, but this is the one from Aldi. Tastes is the same, lactose free, high in protein. It's 14. I think Fairlife like 13 grams of protein. This is 14 grams of protein for 120 calories per serving. And then so I'm gonna use this milk, and then also I'm going to use this protein powder. It is the birthday cake flavor by One Up Nutrition. Like I said before, if you are interested in any of their products, got the link down in the website. I mean, girl, I can't talk today. I got the link down in the description for their website, and if you're interested in any of their products, make sure you use my code TAMIAFIT. So all I did was add those 2 ingredients, mixed it up, and then put it in the freezer. That way by tonight it should be frozen and ready to put in the Ninja Creamy. And then now I'm on to the gym. So at the gym I was doing my glute day exercises. So I'm doing some back squats right now. Started off with a warm up with just the bar, then I added some weight to the bar. Then I went in with some single leg cable kickbacks. After that I did some RDLs, as well as, well, not just regular RDLs, but I did the B stance RDLs, as well as some single leg hip thrusts. And let me tell y'all, these, you gonna feel this one right here. And then after the gym, of course, I went home, did my hygiene, and we went to the store. So I decided to go to Kroger today just to pick up a few things. Some things like this right here was not on my list, but I got it anyway because I really wanted to try it. But tonight I plan on making some high protein Philly cheesesteak pasta using these noodles right here. I'm glad I found these noodles because they're very low in calorie. Usually pasta per serving is like 200 calories, but this one is only 110 calories, plus it's high in protein and high in fiber. So I'm glad I found this pasta right here, and actually it tastes very good too. I highly recommend it. But anyways, I'm just checking out, buying all my stuff, and you know, about to head back home. All right, y'all, so I just came from Kroger. So like the goal when I went into Kroger was to not pick up things that was not on my list, aka whatever was in my brain that I could remember that I needed. So hopefully I didn't forget anything. But anyways, I wanted to not pick up things that was not on my list, and I failed because I picked up 2 different prebiotic sodas that I wanted to try that I have not seen before. I picked up some cheese puffs. So all in all, I picked up some things that was not on my list. So I did spend a little bit more than needed be, but which is only like but I did save $10 though, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now that we're back from the store, I decided to go ahead and start on my meal prep after I unloaded all the groceries. I do have to work for the next 3 days, so I'm making a 3-day meal prep like I normally do. And I have more meal preps on my channel if you want to go check those out too as well. But I'm just cooking some teriyaki boneless chicken thighs, and as well as some squash. So this is what I'm going to be eating before I go into work. And while I cook that, I am going to go ahead and fix up that ice cream that I put into the freezer earlier. All right, y'all, so the ice cream is done, and now it's time for a little taste test. So the sprinkles are already mixed in there. I didn't add a whole bunch of sprinkles. I ain't want a whole bunch of sprinkles just because of the sugar content and stuff. I'm trying to cook at the same time, but I don't think that's going well. This is good. I'm definitely keeping this in rotation. Oh, here goes some sprinkles. This is not the whole pint, it's like half of the pint, and so like it's about 230 minus the sprinkles. I didn't add that many sprinkles, but I'll add 40 calories to this, so 270 calories for half a pint. And then as far as protein is concerned, it's about 36 grams of protein. What? You cannot beat that. Yeah, I'm trying to multitask and eat this ice cream at the same time. I shouldn't even be eating this ice cream right now. I should have waited till later on. But my big back behind just wanted it now. And I don't regret it not one bit. Birthday cake ice cream is my favorite ice cream. And like I told you guys earlier, I am cooking some high protein Philly cheesecake pasta. And let me tell y'all, this is my first time cooking it, but it was so delicious. This is definitely keeping in rotation. If you guys want to see the recipe on this, I will put this in a future meal prep video, so please subscribe so you can stay in tune for that. But this is the lunch that I'll be having while I'm at work. I work night shift, so technically the chicken is my lunch, and then the high protein Philly cheesecake pasta is my dinner, aka work lunch. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.